Hello, welcome back. So this is the Lego Friends Fun Water Park Day. So it's a small water park and we have a lot of animals as well, like dogs, guinea pigs, cats, and animals like that. And there's Nova and Leo included in this set. Yeah, so we have 4 animals and Dango and Churro have new face prints. So Dango is wearing like sunglasses and Churro seems very like unhappy about something, but that new face print looks so nice too. And Leo also has some new clothes. Dango with sunglasses, that's such a nice idea, right? And there's also like pink dog bones in this set. Just like the one in the set before, like this dog treats bakery. And there's like this big blue like paw print in the middle of the water park as well. And there's also like nice slides and like this cooler for ice creams and lots of like sun creams like that. And there's also like this little place where the water comes out on top of the slide. So this is the end of the video. Bye bye.